Okay, you guys, there are some cool things that happen with prime factorization, and everybody typically forgets about it, but I wanted to show you guys how we can use it. So if we do prime factorization of a number, then we just get it into prime numbers. So 4 breaks down into 2 and 2. So the prime factorization of 4 is 2 times 2. We can do it with another number. We can say, okay, prime factorization of 6 is 2 and 3. Both of those are prime numbers. So we say, okay, 2 times 3. Now, this is what's cool. After you get prime factorization of a couple of numbers, you can find your greatest common factor, and your least common multiple using your prime factorizations. So your greatest common factor are going to be what you have in common. So you'll notice that they have a 2 in common. So my greatest common factor is 2. Your least common multiple, this is where it gets cool. Your least common multiple is your greatest common factor, and then everything else that you didn't use over here. So we use the 2, and we won't use those again, but we didn't use this 2 and this 3. So times it by 2, times it by 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. So that is my least common multiple of 4 and 6, and my greatest common factor of 4 and 6 is 2. I know. I used some easy numbers so that we can see. If you're looking for a least common multiple, another way you can do it is just start taking multiples of your biggest number. So you would say 6, 12, 18, and then you say, okay, does 4 go into 6? No. Does 4 go into 12? Yes. And then that's another way that you can find your least common multiple. But if you understand prime factorization and you know how to work it, then it's really easy to find both your greatest common factor and your least common multiple. I'm going to do another one with some bigger numbers so that we can kind of play around with it.